And for today's video, I have for you another nail art. But this is gonna be really interesting because this is sort of an experiment for me. I've never done this before. Like I was watching Emily Susanna's videos and she did this. Like it is also an experiment for her. उसने भी first time किया and I was pretty intrigued. Now you must be thinking which nail art I'm talking about. So I'll put up an Instagram reel over here. Like कुछ टाइम पहले ना बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था ये नेल आर्ट इंस्टाग्राम पे एंड आफ्टर वॉचिंग हर वीडियो मेरे को बहुत मन हुआ इसको ट्राई करने के लिए एंड आई केम टू माई नेल कॉर्नर आई सर्च थ्रू माई डॉर्स कि मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट्स हैं कि नहीं है इस वीडियो को करने के लिए बिकॉज यू डू नीड स्पेसिफिक सेट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स specific set of gels to do this. Luckily I had them and that's why you're watching this video, right? So I'm not gonna be giving you any spoiler alerts क्योंकि मैं experiment कर चुकी हूँ उसके बाद में intro shoot कर रही हूँ. So whether it was successful, unsuccessful, how the design came out, everything if you want to know you have to watch the entire video. And yeah, I have a lot to say about it, some tips, tricks, do's, don'ts and everything. So you go ahead, watch the whole nail art experiment of mine, whether it went good, bad or whatever, and I'll meet you at the end of the video with all the things that I have to say about it. Alright you guys, even before we begin, I just want to say that if you're hearing some background noise, please ignore that. मैं रात में फिल्म कर रही हूँ जो कि एक बहुत क्वाइट टाइम होना चाहिए but apparently नहीं है. Anyways, this is all the stuff that I'm gonna be using. मेरे पास सब कुछ पहले से ही था, मुझे कुछ भी खरीदना नहीं पड़ा, which I'm thankful about. So I'll show you the close-up of everything that I'm gonna be using so you'll get an idea what all products will be needed, and after that we'll start with the experiment, of course. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to be using is of course fake nails, and I've chosen long coffin over here. I'm not going to be doing this on my natural nails because my natural nails are doing pretty fine and I don't want to mess them up with this experiment because this is an experiment. I've never done this before. So I'm going to be using this long coffin thing and I'll just show you. So this is what the nails look like. I'm not sure if you can see because they're transparent now. Okay, much better. So long coffin I'm gonna be using. मैं एक nail पे करने वाली हूँ और अगर it turned out pretty good, then मैं पूरे हाथ के लिए बनाऊंगी set and I'll show you the close-up shots and everything now. So wish me luck. The second thing I'm gonna be using is of course some cling wrap because इसी का तो सारा खेल है. This is the main ingredient in this whole experiment. बहुत पतली सी होती है, इसको सैंडविच रैप भी कहते हैं एंड या मेरे घर में पड़ी हुई थी ऑलरेडी, सो मैंने कहा गुड, अच्छा है. वैसे बहुत ईजिली किसी भी सुपरमार्केट में मिल जाएगी, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. और ये पूरा रैप आता है, लाइक इट्स ह्यूज. मैंने इसको बीच में से तोड़ दिया है बट इट्स अ प्रिटी ह्यूज रैप, सो इट्स गोना लास्ट यू लाइक फॉर अ लाइफ टाइम इफ यू आर गोना बाय दिस फॉर दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट. So yeah, this is the second item I'm gonna be using. The third thing I'm gonna be using is this Rosalind का gel paints. Now this is the reason I'm doing this experiment. अगर मेरे पास ये नहीं होते तो मैं ये experiment नहीं कर रही होती क्योंकि मैंने खरीदने नहीं जा रही थी. So actually क्या इसको gel से ही करना है इस experiment को, but gel polish से नहीं because polish is gonna be too thin. Now when it comes to these spots, they are pretty thick in consistency if you can see. Like they don't move around much. So I have one white and of course one golden color, if you can see. Wait, yeah, golden color. So I'm gonna be making like a white marble with golden streaks sort of. मतलब ये मेरा प्लान है. और इनके swatches चाहिए तो इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं पोस्ट लिंक कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में if you want swatches for these. But yeah, these are the gel paints that I'm gonna be using. Next, of course, we'll be needing something to paint the gel paints and I'm going to be using this brush. ये polygel kit में आया था. Like I've done a whole review on polygel kit, so if you want I'll link it up in the cards and also the description box below. So this is a pretty good brush. बहुत ऐसे कोई fancy brush नहीं है, but this works and yeah, I'm going to be using this to paint the gel on the nail. The next tool that I'm going to be using is this cuticle pusher to bunch up the cling wrap on the nail. Like when you'll see the video now, तुमको realize होगा what I'm talking about when I mean like bunching it up. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this metal cuticle pusher. Then of course we'll be needing like filers. तो मेरे पास ये दो रखे थे. I'm not sure which one is gonna work best. So मैं दोनों ही try करने वाली हूँ and let's see. So these are the filers that I'm gonna be using. Next up is a gel top coat and this is the gel top coat that I'm gonna be using Vanellisa का. I'm loving this right now. मतलब ये जेल टॉप कोट है मेरा गो टू जेल टॉप कोट right now. So I thought let's give it a try because I need a glossy finish, right? So yeah. And yeah, to cure everything you will need a nail lamp because gel products are involved. So I'm gonna be using this one. I got this a while back. I've talked about this on my channel quite a lot of times and I still use it. I love it very much. It's very convenient. थोड़ा size में बड़ा है but it works for me and this is the one I'm gonna be using for all the curing purposes. I'm not gonna be showing the curing ka part on camera, but just to give you that this is the lamp I'm gonna be putting my nails in so that the gel cures. Starting with the first thing, like I've mounted the fake nail on this like little stand. It's easier to hold on to now. Now I'm gonna be taking this filer, its roughest side, and I'm gonna be putting some scratches on this nail so that ना gel जो मैं लगाने वाली हूँ उस पर stick करे, इस पर slide नहीं करे. It's not necessary, but I'm just doing it so the like gel sticks to it. I'm not gonna be doing like too much of filing, just putting some scratches over it. And using a clean tissue paper, I'm just gonna be dusting off all the debris, whatever it is on them. So my nail preparation is done. This is what I'm gonna be doing to prep the nail basically, nothing much. Now from all the videos that I saw to prepare for this experiment, I've like seen that whatever color you want ना in streaks जिसके तुमको लाइनें दिखे वो तुमको पहले लगाना होगा. So since I want golden streaks, मैं golden color के साथ पहले जाऊँगी. Now they have gone directly with the color, a thick layer of color, cling wrap लगा दिया, bunch कर दिया. But I'm gonna be first painting a very thin layer and curing it so that मेरे nail का से ना transparent part कहीं से दिखे ना, मतलब एक color दिखे. So I'm taking the gel pot I've shown you earlier and of course my brush and I'm gonna be painting it. बहुत ही thin layer सा लगा रही हूँ, ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं लगा रही हूँ, but I just want a little bit of color on my nail beforehand, इसके पहले कि मैं कोई भी उस पर डिज़ाइन बनाना शुरू करूँ. Now I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Meanwhile the nail is curing, I'm gonna be cutting a small piece of this cling wrap because बाद में I don't want कि gel settle हो जाए और फिर मैं इसको काटने में लगी हूँ. So I'm just gonna be doing sort of पहले की तैयारी and I'm just gonna be cutting a little square of this cling wrap. It's very thin और ये बहुत जल्दी से bunch up हो जाता है ना, तो you got to be like really careful with it. बहुत delicate सा material है. So yeah, I'm not sure how much you can see, but yeah, this is I've taken this much क्योंकि थोड़ा सा bunch up करना है इसलिए I've taken like a bigger piece. Now here comes the fun part. Again I'm gonna be taking the same golden, but this time I'm gonna be applying like a slightly thicker layer over the nail. Make sure you cover all the parts if you are also trying this now. An even layer but slightly thicker layer. Now I'm keeping this aside and the piece of saran wrap we have cut now, I'm gonna be carefully placing this over the nail. Something like this, and I'm just gonna be sticking over the nail with my finger, lightly pressing, बहुत जोर से नहीं. And then remember I told you about this tool that I'm gonna be using to bunch up the saran wrap. So this is what I meant. I'm just gonna be bunching it up on the nail like this. Just slightly dragging, creating some peaks and valleys. Ruching सा कर रही हूँ basically मैं थोड़ा सा. Wherever you feel, just turn the nail around and see wherever you can create the peaks. Very slightly, don't put too much of pressure, नहीं तो saran wrap फट जाएगा because it's a very thin material. And yeah, that's about it. Now I'm gonna be curing it for 90 seconds this time. Alright you guys, so it's the moment of truth now. मतलब जितने भी सारे वीडियोस मैंने देखे ना उसमें तो बहुत easily ये saran wrap निकल आता है. अब हमारा निकलेगा कि हमारा यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा एक्सपेरिमेंट, आई डोंट नो. सो लेट्स ट्राई. ओके ओके, इट्स कमिंग आउट, इट्स कमिंग आउट. ओके ओके, so far it's coming out pretty easily actually. मुझे लगा था ये तो चिपकेगा. ओके यू गाइस, मैं साइड से दिखाती हूँ तो शायद दिखेगा, बट इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी एज इट इज ना. एंड दिस इज द सिरान रैप. इफ यू कैन सी, कोई भी, वेट अ मिनट, एज यू कैन सी इसमें कोई भी होल नहीं है, सो यू कैन अगेन यूज इट. पूरा का पूरा एज इट इज़ वन पीस में निकल आया, सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. बट लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. For the next step, now it's time for the white gel, and again using the same brush, I'm gonna be filling in the ridges and valleys that I've created now with this white gel. It's a little thick as I said, so you really have to tap the brush to get it all in the crevices now, because you really have to get the white gel in those spaces you have created in the golden. This takes a little bit of time and patience, and you really have to just tap the brush instead of like dragging it like normal polish apply करते हैं ना, वैसे नहीं करना. You just have to tap the brush as I'm doing. वो बहुत easily ऐसे crevices में चला जाता है. Make sure you cover. I'm just making sure that I'm covering all the sides and everything now. I'm keeping the layer very thin. I'm not gonna be making a thick layer, नहीं तो फिर वो क्योर नहीं होगी. But I'm making sure कि white gel सारे कोनों में और गड्ढों में चला जाए properly. I believe this is it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be again curing this for 90 seconds, and I'll be back when this is cured. I believe this is fully cured now. This does have a sticky layer which I have to wipe using like alcohol or acetone or whatever, because I'm gonna be filing it. और अगर sticky layer रह जाए तो शायद filer ख़राब हो जाते हैं, मैंने सुना है. I've never tried, but I don't want to risk it because मेरे पास इतने filers है भी नहीं later on के लिए अगर एक ख़राब हो गया तो. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of acetone and wiping it off. Now once it's all cleaned off, it's time to file it. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत फाइल करना पड़ेगा. So first of all, I'm going in with this 180 grit का file, and let's see if this works. It's kind of getting smooth, but I have a lot of filing to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting on some music. You listen to it and watch me file. Alright, I believe this is how much I'm gonna file. The pattern looks so beautiful, you guys. Now you cannot make it like completely smooth. I believe all those videos, they didn't show that. They sort of what do you call it, like ऊपर से जेल का थिक सा लेयर लगाते हैं, लाइक इनकैप्सुलेट करते हैं. येस, दैट्स द वर्ड, इनकैप्सुलेट करते हैं, इसलिए वो बहुत स्मूथ दिखने लगता है. बट सिंस आई डोंट हैव एनी जेल, क्लियर जेल और एनीथिंग टू इनकैप्सुलेट, सो आई एम गोना लीविंग इट हियर. बट इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. कैन यू सी द गोल्डन स्ट्रीक्स? मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मेसअप कर दिया, मैंने ओवर फाइल कर दिया तो वो निकल गया. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. But yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. Now I'm taking a clean tissue paper and wiping off all the dust filing has created over the nail, and I believe it's ready to be top coated. Now I'm gonna be directly top coating it. And can you see top coat लगाते ही वो golden की shine कैसे एकदम से निकल के आई ना. It looks so pretty, you guys. I'm not sure कैमरा पे कैसा दिख रहा होगा, but रियल लाइफ में it looks so good. I wish मेरे पास कोई जेल होता ना इसको इनकैप्सुलेट करके थोड़ा सा थिकनेस देके और स्मूथ करने का, बट आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस ऑल्सो. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna be curing it for 60 seconds and I'll be back with the final result. So yeah, this is how it looks after final cure, and I believe I'm definitely wanting to try this on my natural nails. Maybe I'll buy some more colors now so that I can like create a colorful design with this. Let's see if I do anything. You'll get to know, of course, either on Instagram or here on YouTube. मैं full fledged video करूँगी ऐसा ही. But I believe this came out pretty good or good enough for me to create a whole set. मुझे लगेगा थोड़ा सा time, but for you in a second I'll be back with a full set. So yes guys, here is the full set. Each nail थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लुक में है, बट आई गेस दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द मार्बल कि वो एक जैसा कहीं नहीं होता. सो मैंने पूरा सेट बनाया. आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद दिस. नाउ आई एम गोना बी डेफिनेटली अप्लाइंग इट ऑन माई नेचुरल नेल्स एंड यू चेक आउट द ब्यूटिफुल क्लोजअप शॉट्स. So yes guys, this was the whole nail art ka experiment. Like it was so much fun, especially that part where you have to remove the cling wrap after the gel is cured. Oh my god, I was so scared. जो मैंने दिखाया वो मेरा 3rd या 4th ट्रायल था. 2 फेल्स थे जो कि मैं डस्टबिन में डाल दिए बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कीप देम हियर. आई वांट कीप द गुड वंस विथ मी. सो या मतलब इट वॉज अ होल जर्नी, होल लर्निंग कर्व. आई माइट डू इट अगैन ऑन माई नेचुरल नेल्स दिस टाइम. यू नेवर नो. मे बी फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम इफ यू वॉन्ट टू like keep a watch on it. Okay, anyways, as I said, it was a learning curve, so I learned a lot and I have a lot to say about it. So without any further bug, I should just get into the tips and tricks, do's and don'ts that you are waiting for, right? So let's start with the first one. Now, as I said in the intro that you do need like specific set of gels to do this. What I meant by that is that कि you need a thicker consistency का gel. Like gel polish से it is not possible, particularly because you have to have a consistency of the product which will hold those peaks and valleys, right? और gel polish बहुत liquidy होती है तो वो hold नहीं करेगा उतनी देर. So that was the first thing. You have to have some thicker consistency का gel. The second thing is you need a very very soft and thin plastic का piece. Like if you try it with normal जो polythene मिलती है ना grocery store में या products के साथ, that won't work. So my best bet for you guys is कि cling wrap ही use करो. वो बहुत ही soft होता है, जल्दी से scrunch up हो जाता है और it has a power to hold that shape, okay? क्योंकि वो चिपक जाता है साथ में ना. So cling wrap is the best option you can go for if you don't want to give yourself a headache with that process. Just go for cling wrap because it's the perfect material to hold the peaks and the valleys. Now the third thing, it's sort of personal choice for me, but I'll just put it out there in case you face that problem. कि आई वेंट विथ 1 कोट और फिर मैं उसको क्योर किया विद द फर्स्ट कलर टू गिव लाइक बेस अ कलर, वो ट्रांसपेरेंट ना दिखे. बट आई बिलीव आई गो फॉर 2 कोट्स. मैं बेस को प्रॉपरली ओपेक कर दूंगी बिकॉज फाइलिंग के टाइम पे मैंने नोटिस किया इफ यू फाइल टू मच ना वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी दिखने लगती है फेक नेल की. सो थर्ड टिप की इफ यू डोंट वांट दैट लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट नीचे से दिखने लगे फाइलिंग के टाइम पे, तो मेक श्योर यू पुट डिसेंट ओपेक कलर ऑन द बेस फर्स्ट बिफोर यू गो with the rest of the process. Now the fourth tip is कि when you go in to put the second color. Now this mistake I made in my first trial and वो डस्टबिन में है मेरे साइड में, डस्टबिन में पड़ा हुआ है. Anyways, so वो first mistake ये थी कि when you go in with second color you don't have to level out the nail, the peaks and the valleys, you don't have to level them out. all you have to concentrate on is putting the color in every crevice, like every chota chota corner with a thinner coat. Okay, you don't have to go with a thicker coat कि पूरे nail को level करना है एक बार में, no, ऐसे नहीं करना है, वो पूरी peaks ना second color में डुबा नहीं देनी है. So don't do that because फिर gel cure नहीं होता, and when you go to file it ना, वैसे pimple में से पस की तरह ना wet gel निकल आता. I know it's gross, but that's how it looked to me, so I'm telling you that way. So make sure your second color का coat बहुत thin है and you are putting that color in every nook and corner of the nail. Moving on to the last and the final tip, and that is related to filing. Now when I went to file it, now after curing the second color, I went for smoothing the whole nail surface. उसको smooth करने के चक्कर में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा फाइल कर दिया, और जैसे कि मैं पहले बता रही थी कि वो बेस का ट्रांसपेरेंट सा पार्ट दिखने लग गया. Now the thing is कि at this stage you cannot smoothen the nail. वो bumps रहेंगे and you don't have to smoothen them out. Okay? नहीं तो all you will do is overfile it and ruin your design. Whatever you see on Instagram ना कि उनका nail एकदम बिल्कुल smooth दिखता है top coat लगाते ही, वो ऐसे नहीं होता guys. They encapsulate the whole design within a transparent thicker consistency का gel, almost builder gel. Okay? So that's why वो जो file करते हैं उसको smooth करने के लिए, तो वो design नहीं file कर रहे होते हैं, वो gel, clear transparent builder gel को file कर रहे होते हैं to get that smoothness. और उसके बाद जब वो top coat लगाते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल bright shiny smooth सा दिखता है. So if you have a builder gel, you can definitely go with it. बाकी का जो भी nooks and corners fill करने वो उससे करो, उसको क्योर करो और उसको फाइल करके स्मूथ करो. मेरे पास नहीं था तो मेरे जो नेल्स बने हुए हैं वो फिर भी थोड़े बम्पी से हैं, बट आई एम फाइन विथ इट बिकॉज द डिज़ाइन लुक्स सो गुड यू गाइज. सो दैट वॉज माई फाइनल टिप, डोंट ओवर फाइल इट. Alright you guys, so this was it. This was the whole nail experiment with tips, tricks, do's, don'ts and everything. I'm planning to do a lot more of these new techniques now when it comes to nail art. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any, or you can tag me on my Instagram. I'll mention the handle somewhere on the screen. Plus, yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, you guys. You just have to press the button. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell beside it to get notification every time I upload a new video. And as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you. Keep yourself hydrated. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.